day 8. So excited for you because this one is picking your platform. This one's probably one of the most overlooked, understandable situations that people go through. They want to be everywhere. But let me explain something to you. I want you to pick two platforms for growth and nurture strategy. So today, what we're going to do is going to be an exciting day towards turning your confidence into cash. Today, we're tackling that crucial aspect of digital marketing that often trips up even the most talented entrepreneurs. The myth is that you need to be everywhere at once, and you really don't. So let's be honest. Trying to maintain a strong presence on every social media platform is like keeping 10 plates spinning all at once. Eventually, something's got to give. The real power comes from strategic focus, not scattered efforts. Would you rather have a garden with dozens of wildering plants, or would you like a few thriving and blooming? Because that's what it is, friends. I promise you, you can't spread on every platform. Focus on the platforms that you're currently already on. Focus on the platforms that you've already got followers. And you can start with new platforms if you want to. The most effective approach is to choose two platforms that serve. But you've got to think of it this way. They're going to serve you for different complementary purposes. First, select a growth platform. This is where you're going to focus on reaching a new audience and expanding your visibility. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts are perfect for this because the algorithms are designed to help your new content reach out to a wider audience. These platforms are like megaphones for your message. They amplify your voice. They reach people that have never heard of you before that you can get to. The second platform that you should be focusing on is one that nurtures platform. In the nurturing platform, this is where you're going to build a bit deeper connections with your existing audience, like platforms like Facebook, Instagram main feeds, or long form YouTube content is ideal for this purpose. Here you can share more detailed insights and engage in meaningful conversations and really showcase your expertise. Think of this as your digital living room, a space where you can go and be more intimate in conversations with people who you already know and trust you. I've seen the strategies work wonders in my own business, whenever I stopped trying to maintain a presence everywhere and focused my energy on TikTok for growth, Facebook for nurturing. My relationships, as everything's changed. My content quality improved, my enhancement skyrocketed, and most importantly, my audience always knew exactly where they was going to find me. It is like finding the right frequency in the radio, and suddenly the signal was all clear and it's all strong. Remember this, success in a digital space isn't about being everywhere. It's about being consistent. It's about being valuable in the right places. And when you focus your energy on these two platforms, it's going to give yourself the gift of clarity and your audience the gift of quality into your content. You're not spreading yourself too thin, and you're building something sustainable and meaningful. And you've got to remember this. You can do it in less than 2 hours a day. Today, I want to make you have a choice of which platform. That's what I want you to do today. Choose your platform for your digital presence. Look at the platforms available to you. Consider where your ideal audience is going to spend their time. And then choose two platforms, one for growth and one for nurture. Trust that this is going to focus your approach and will yield you better results than trying to maintain a presence everywhere. Your future self is going to thank you for making this strategic decision. I want you to focus that you don't have to be everywhere and that you can be consistent in the right place. So pick one or two platforms that you're going to focus on and then drop them in the comment. And so we can follow you and we can support you. Be sure and follow me. If you're not already following me on the YouTube channel, be sure to click that little bell button below so that you can follow me. And then 2, come join my community because I would love to help guide you on your journey to success. And I will see you tomorrow.